Hi guys, my name is Priscilla. I'm a wife and a mom who work from home. In this quick video, I'll be reviewing the Salehoo supplier directory to help you decide if this is for you or not. So please watch this video until the end. What is Salehoo? Salehoo is said to be a wholesale supplier directory service that provides dropshippers with access to many suppliers from all over the world. It's located in New Zealand and is capable of linking dropshippers to suppliers. This company has been said to have suppliers from as far as the United Kingdom, Australia, and the United States. Salehoo allows dropshippers to use their sourcing tool to connect with manufacturers, liquidators, and suppliers in order to get access to goods at wholesale prices that they can market to consumers. Most of the customers of Salehoo often sell their dropship products through the use of platforms like eBay, Amazon, and Etsy in order to make a profit. The Salehoo platform itself is not considered to be a wholesaler, but it provides users with access to about 8,000 different liquidators, manufacturers, wholesalers, and dropshippers from all around the world. The Salehoo directory has about 2.5 million products for sale at wholesale prices, but some of these products sell at the same amount as eBay or Amazon. Dropshippers can subscribe premium membership on Salehoo for just $67 per year for every single year that you are a member. This membership often comes with these amazing benefits: 8,000 plus verified suppliers spanning 150 categories, some basic tutorial about how to succeed as an experienced dropshipper online, access to the forums, one of the largest wholesale and online seller discussion forums on the internet, suppliers for all kinds of business, including suppliers with non-minimum orders, international shipping, and more. Access to a dedicated support team who will answer your questions and help you to find the right supplier for you. These benefits might also include a market research tool that might prove very useful if you are not certain what niche you should start up in. Salehoo might ask for extra charges if you want additional features such as advanced tutorials about selling online, or eBay and the Salehoo Online Selling Tactics course. Also, Salehoo has an amazing tool which tells you which products are the hottest and best selling. It also gives you information to help you promote it successfully. This tool is called Market Research Lab. Now there's an important question to answer. Is Salehoo actually legit? One of the most popular questions about the Salehoo platform is if it is actually legit, and despite the high number of affiliate reviews online, it has been concluded that Salehoo is actually a legitimate company located in New Zealand. The Salehoo platform is not a scam or a poorly developed solution. It is actually legit, and it does not matter whether or not dropshippers are running a highly profitable business through the platform. To prove that this is true, let's take a look inside of Salehoo membership. Let's watch a quick demo of what is inside.
Are you struggling to find a supplier that sells in-demand products at wholesale prices? The Salehoo directory is here to help. Using the advanced search filters, you can quickly slice and dice through over 8,000 legitimate suppliers until you find the perfect one. I'm interested in dropshipping security cameras. Straight off the bat, I get a full list of security camera suppliers. However, as I'm only interested in dropshippers, I select that filter. If you want to change your mind, you could select anything from wholesalers to liquidators, manufacturers, or any combination you liked. Prompt delivery is important to most buyers. Therefore, I'm going to narrow down the results to North America, as I want my US customers getting their orders fast. Alternatively, you could tweak your selections to include all regions if you wanted a greater range of suppliers to choose from. If you're intending to sell to people all over the world, try selecting Ships Worldwide. By doing so, you'll expand your potential customer base and be shown suppliers who can ship to any of your customers, regardless of their location. Instantly, Salehoo has given me a comprehensive list of suppliers that match my preferences. Let's check out iFunCity. You can see they've been online for 12 years and have been on Salehoo for 9 years. This gives me confidence that I can trust them with my money. Also, by reading their overview, I can see they sell what I'm looking for: security cameras. This supplier offers blind dropshipping, which is ideal as customers won't know where the goods came from. I also love how they offer free shipping, as it keeps profit margins high. I can contact this supplier through Salehoo simply by clicking this button, Contact Supplier. We'll send you an email once they've replied, typically within 48 hours. You can also read and reply to any supplier you've contacted from inside Salehoo in case you can't access your email. iFund City has been automatically saved to my favorite suppliers, which means I'll easily be able to find them again directly from my dashboard. You can save as many suppliers as you want simply by clicking Save Supplier. Just like that, I found a message to dropship supplier that ticks all the boxes, all within a couple minutes.
Now, let's talk about the pros of Salehoo membership. The platform provides great customer service. If we are talking of customer service, Salehoo provides great customer service and it has an A+ rating on platforms like Better Business Bureau. Number 2, this platform also makes it easy for customers to cancel subscriptions. Number 3, Salehoo is considered to be one of the most popular platforms for dropshippers and wholesalers to market their products, and it has a lot of positive reviews from members. Number 4, the platform has over 8,000 suppliers and more than 2.5 million products listed in their database. Although it is not considered to be the biggest, it is still big. Number 5, it is relatively cheap as it requires just $67 per year and it will take you just 30 seconds to join. With 100% satisfaction warranty, Salehoo offers a 60-day money-back warranty. Well, now let's talk about some cons of using Salehoo. Number 1, the Salehoo directory only lists about 2.5 million products. Number 2, there are a lot of big brands on this platform, but not as many niche products. Number 3, the access to this platform is only available online. This platform also has a lot of upsells that result in its products becoming more expensive, but there's no obligation to buy these upsells. All is up to you. Now, what is the final verdict? After the whole review, well, I think my verdict is I actually give Salehoo 4.5 out of 5. Why? Well, it is actually a great tool with cloud-based software, so there's no need to install anything on your computer or smartphone. Remember, you have a 60-day money-back warranty, so there is nothing to lose. I've been in touch with them and I really know that their support staff is considered one of the best in the industry, and they even recommend the best products to sell and their products that do not have favorable sales to save you time and money on investing in the wrong product. And well, now you have the final decision if Salehoo is for you or not. So if you want to start with dropshipping with trusted wholesalers, you can click the blue link in the description below this video. As I told you, I'm a mom who works from home. This is my job. So if you feel like this video helps you out and you want to return the favor, please buy through my link. This helps me to support what I do and all the time I spend to make this video. I really appreciate it. So please click the link below this video to get instant access to Salehoo membership. I hope you have enjoyed this review. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.